How do you know when it's ready?
You'll know.
What do you mean you'll know? Now I know why you asked me to do this.
We need the muscles.
Hi.
Hi.
You're back.
Yes.
Hi, Nicolina.
And Kristen's here.
I'm here now.
All right. Okay, we never make polenta because I
Okay.
don't know why. We just never. We're Southern Italians.
I never made polenta. I've bought that log of polenta and sliced it up.
Yeah.
No,
But I've never made polenta.
Yeah, no, I don't do log.
No.
No log.
The first time I ever had polenta, I think I was in the north of Italy. I think we went on a family vacation. We were in Milan.
Yeah, it's
Okay.
usually where it's from.
There was one with sauce. There was one with gorgonzola.
Yes.
Okay, so you're saying this is instant?
Yes, this is the instant one. You can make the traditional where it's
Yeah.
like,
A lot of stirring.
But you don't need to.
no, it's fluffier, it's lighter on your stomach, it breaks down easier.
Okay, so you have nothing in front of us here.
Nothing.
You just have some butter and water.
That's it. Very
Okay,
easy.
That's it.
Yep, that's it. You guys
us
want to
what to
make
do.
Show us the way. No.
No,
I
come
like
on.
watching.
So we just put 2 liters of water.
Amazing.
It asks for 2 tablespoons, but we'll just cut this in half.
It's right here.
She wants a little extra.
Oh, I never realized that.
Yeah.
Man, oh man.
We got you.
We put this directly into the water. Once the butter is completely melted and the water comes to a boil, we add the polenta.
I just dropped.
Giancarlo.
I cleaned the counter. It's clean. I didn't mean to, guys. It wasn't on purpose.
That's okay.
Okay, I got it.
We forgive you. This is what it looks like.
A brick of cornmeal.
I can't believe you guys never made polenta.
No, you know what? I never grew up with polenta. Like
No.
my family never
Well,
made
we're
it.
all like Southern Italian.
Yeah.
Yeah. So now the water is boiling, so which means it's ready to go. Make sure you don't throw it all in all at once, because then it'll clump up. And this only takes 3 minutes, not how it used to be back in the day. 2 people holding the pot, 1 person who would be stirring.
Because you had to like keep.
It was so hard. And then as you're stirring, you will see that it will get a little bit thicker each time. You want to try it?
Sure. Oh yeah, it's already
way,
thick.
That way.
This way?
Always that way. I don't know why, but my mom always said, always clockwise.
Okay.
Sorry.
I'm moving the
See
pot.
how, yeah.
Oh yeah, it's thick.
You wanna try it, Giancarlo?
Try.
me to do
Look
it?
how thick it is. Yeah, we need some muscles now.
Oh yeah, nice.
No, you switch ways.
Sorry, we gotta listen to Mama.
So now, could you imagine doing this the traditional?
No, God no.
It
How
would be
long?
like an hour.
Oh my God.
Wow.
Now you can see that it's starting
Yeah,
to
it's
form a
joining.
little bit. Yes.
Ah,
Isn't that cool?
so cool.
Yeah.
Like it's coming off the sides of the pot.
That's
and it's
right.
Oh.
You guys will enjoy this.
Like, yeah, this is good.
I know. Giancarlo, you're going to see I better enjoy this after
get-
this workout.
This beautiful sugo
Yes.
we made earlier this morning.
Yes.
And we have another video featuring how to make your sugo for polenta. So this is it.
This
so
is
now you
it.
just plate.
I mean, like, you don't just have to make it with red sauce. You can make it like bechamel, gorgonzola, truffle aioli.
Oh yeah.
Then you add whatever cheese you want on top, either Romano or Parmigiano.
You gave me way too much though, Nicolina.
Yeah, this is a lot.
I'm sorry, guys. I'm Italian. What can I say?
It's good. Good job.
Cheers.
Beautiful.
Cheers.
Cheers, 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 plate, cheers. This is delicious. Really, really good.
And see, you don't need to add salt.
No, you didn't have to add salt. You're right.
You were right. Salty enough with the
Fantastic.
sauce and the cheese.
Yes, fantastic.
Yeah, it's delicious.